Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinla Kine, I'm the lead instructor. Guys, any good strategy don't have to be very hard, you understand? So you have to make things easy for yourself, you understand, for your mental health. Because trading is very tough. So you have to make sure your strategy, what gives you an edge in the market, is very easy to do. So that's why I come up with this simple and most simplest strategy I've seen so far. The reason I say most simplest strategy is because it is so much accurate. I can rate it 100, but it's not possible to for any strategy to be 100. So I will just stay at that 99.9. You understand? The strategy doesn't contain so much. It's just two indicators, which is RSI and the moving average. You understand, the two moving average on the main chart, while the RSI on the indicator window. You know, this level 50, when you are trading with RSI, you understand. So once the RSI break the level 50, it tells us that the market has been confirmed in downtrend. That is, the market is actually selling. And when you see it above level 50, it tells us the market is actually buying. You understand? So far we have known that at the back of our mind. Then how do we use this to trade to make money from the boom and crash market? So what we are going to do is we should find fast and slow EMA that is not more than 14 period to give us signal. Then we make the confirmation from the RSI, then we put on a trade. You understand? So look what happened here now. Look at this scenario. This moving average is the 7 and 14. They cross here. Meanwhile, the RSI is not giving us uptrend. You understand? So in this scenario, we are not going to listen to this crossing. Instead, we are going to wait till the RSI break the level 50 to the uptrend. Then we enter for buy at this level. You understand? I hope you understand. So once we enter for the buy, we are in safe hand because the RSI, the two moving average, we have three witnesses for what we are doing. So it's not just our decision. So just count your 5 to 10 candle and you assist the trade. You are done for that period. You understand? This strategy can give you up to 10 to 20 signals in a day with 90% win rate. That is, out of that 20, 18 will be correct. You understand? So it's not it's something of boosting. So you can test that and come back after you have tested to testify to this strategy. You understand? So let's do some back testing. You understand? So you can see that the crossing here, it happens, but the RSI did not give us the signal. When the RSI is trying to give us the signal here, the spike happened. So we have to wait for a clear breakout of this level 50 before we enter. Same thing also happened here, though the crossing has not happened yet before the spike happened. So, but here we see that the crossing happened. The crossing happened. Meanwhile, the RSI also has break the level 50, which is a perfect signal to trade. You understand? So I hope you are getting what I'm trying to explain. So you can see here too, the crossing happened, but we have to wait for RSI to cross here before going for the buy. That is simple as this. Let's check the boom. So same thing here. This cross happened and it crossed the level 50. You can see the cross happened, but we wait for this crossing to happen, then we enter for sell. So let me quickly show you the settings. Don't let me make this video too long. The first moving average is period 7 shifty 0, method simple, apply to close. You can use any color of your choice. The second one is period 14 shifty 0, method simple, apply to close. You understand? So for the sake of people that they are just starting, so they don't know how to add those indicator, let me just add it. So the moving average is, the first one is 14. So just type everything like this. Click on done. After that, click on this F plus again. Click on moving average. Now you are changing this to 7. That is a fast DMA. I use different color for it. You understand? Click on done. After that, then click on the F plus again. Come to the RSI, relative strength index. Leave the setting as the default setting. Just come to the level. Put level 90, 10, 50. Click on done. After that, so if you add it correctly, you should see something like this in your chart. So take note of this. The crossing, it must be the fast EMA, which is the black one, crossing the red, not the red one, crossing the red downward when you are trading boom, and crossing the red upward when you are trading crash, not the red crossing. It is the black crossing. So you can see the black crossing upward, downward for boom, upward for crash. You can see this upward, that is for spike. You can see this downward, that is the valid one. So guys, I wish you happy trading. Try to backtest the strategy and make sure you always trade responsible.